Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about array data structure and how to implement in JavaScript. So array is basically a contiguous storage of values, and it stores indexes, and each index has a value that is called an array element. So in this example, as you can see, we have 5. The length of the array is 5. The index 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, and each index has values. And now let's see how to implement it in JavaScript. So we'll have an array item class, and then we'll just name our custom array as array2, and at the end we'll run these and see if our implementation works fine. So in the array item, we have constructor which takes value and index. As we saw, we need to store value and the index. This will just do this that initialization, and then let's see the class. And the constructor will have optionally, it will take values, so you can provide comma separated values, and it will just create array with provided values. You can skip, and we can use the push method to add values later on. So if we provide values, it will just loop over each and just use this push method to insert values into the array. So now let's come to this push method, and also we are keeping track of the length of the array. So similar to JavaScript array, you can do your array dot length. It will give the length of the array, and then we come to the push just takes a value, and the next index is obviously the length, and then we'll just assign the new value, create the new value using the array item constructor, and it will just push provided the value and the index, and will assign this array item object into the next index, and we'll just increase the length. Similarly, we have get method. You will provide the index, and it will just access that index and return the value. Pop, it will, so the last index is length minus 1. We'll get the last item, and we'll of course delete that item because pop mutates the array, and will decrease the length, will return item dot value. Then let's come to find. Similar to the find method in array, it takes a callback function, and we will just loop over. We'll just use the for loop to loop over each item I equals to 0, less than this length plus plus. Then we get the value, and we'll provide that value as the argument of the callback. The signature is same to the array find method, where the item, then index, then the this subject, this means the whole array, and return. If this returns true, the callback, this predicate returns true, will return the item. Else will return undefined, that the value you are looking for is not found. Then we'll come to filter. Filter, similar to JavaScript array, it returns a new instance of the array. It does not mutate. So we'll create a new array. You will run the same loop method, and it is similar to the find, the signature. Provide the callback. If it returns true, then we'll just push the new item. Push the found item that matches the predicate, and at the end we'll just return array. This will return a new array that matches this predicate, similar to the sort. We are just implementing this like the same search sorry sort logic will loop in nest, and we have some private methods. Get item, what it does, it returns the whole array item object instead of the value as we do in the get method. So it just finds the current item, next item, we check value. If it's greater, then we swap. What it does is just swaps the value, keeping the index same, and returns the new item 1, item 2, whose index, so item 1's index is same as current item's index, but the value is assigned to item 2. Similarly, value of item 1 next is now item 2. The index is same. We are setting set item. What it does, it just assigned, so it just assigns a new item object into the given index. So it just does swap in place. Then if we this is the private method, like how get, this is just simple. And swap, you can see where value and temp. Then one's value we are assigning two's value, then into two's value we are assigning the temp, this is value, and that's simple. Now let's come and run and see if our example works. Open up the terminal and let's clear the terminal, and first we'll see, we'll just initialize the array 1297 and let's see if it's doing that. And we can just use only node. Let's see. Yeah, running it and it just 1297. We have either 0 1 and 1297 index. Then let's see, the get method will comment each one as we go, and if we get index 1, 1 means 9, it should return 9. Okay, that works. Then we'll sort this array, we should get 7 9 and 12. Okay, 7 9 and 12 we got. So now that sort works, and we'll go to the find. Let's comment it out, and we're finding the 7. Let's see. Okay, find 7. We so it's, if we add something that's not present in the array, find is undefined because it returns undefined. Okay, now let's comment out this one, and we'll go to filter. Let's see and run it. So 7 and 9. Okay, we got 7 and 9. Then if we say, let's say 13, it still returns this one because 13 is not present. If we do 12, then okay, 12 is there, so it returns that. Let's comment out this. We go to push. Let's say push works, so we'll do the logging of the array, then push and see if our item is pushed. So 1297 we did the push, 1297 and 3. Okay, this works. Now let's go and check for the pop. 1297, then we pop the last item, then 12 and 9. Okay, so this is how we implement a simple array structure in JavaScript. Let's see you in the next video.